Let's make dot line image in Photoshop. Get the image and select subject. Now go to select option, then press modify and expand the subject. You can see the numbers. Follow this video to create result in this tutorial. Press OK button. You can see expand the subject. You can see and go to the modify option and make smooth selection and follow these numbers to make this tutorial better. And let's continue the video. Then go to layer and select quick selection tool to make highlight the subject and right click the image and press make work path. Type the numbers you see, then press OK. Then go to path selection tool and press solid color. Choose the white color and follow this video. All done, but missing. Add some more tricks. Okay, let's watch the tricks. Go to first layer and press mask button and set the brush tool, but you make sure your top color is black. Then remove the unwanted lines. You can see this was cool, right? Okay then, the tutorial has ended, but make sure I will get more tutorials to you guys. So stay tuned for more tutorials like this. Until then, tata.